Hi, I'm Jaya Margaret Das from Malaysia, and I'm doing a 120-hour online TESOL certificate. This webinar held on the 13th of March on phonology. I think it was a privilege and an opportunity to further review what I had read in the teaching materials and the 3 videos that I viewed on phonology, part 1 to part 3. The revision on the IPA chart was an added bonus. I guess it takes a lot of practice to actually pronounce words correctly, the vowels, the consonants, the monotongues, diphthongs, triphthongs, and so much more. The instructors were very engaging in the sense that they took time to actually explain, and they stopped many times to ask us whether we understood what was being taught, and they actually replied all the questions that was asked. I really appreciate all their efforts. Thank you and have a good day.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.